Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Paige, and I just kind of wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little bit of help logging on to Google Classroom and Google Meet so that the first day of school is a little bit easier. So once you get your computer and have it open, you're going to open up Google Chrome. You're going to go to this CVUSD bookmark tab right here. And it will pull up a couple different resources that we might use throughout the year, but today we are only focusing on the one that says Google Classroom. I tell everybody that it's the yellow and green square with a person in it. So you click on that. And if you have not accepted me into your class, then when you open this, you'll see an accept button right here, but I already have been accepted into this class. So what you will do is you will click on my name right here, and a quick tip, if we have anything that's due coming up, like reading the welcome letter, it will be displayed in this box right here. But you click on this tab, and you will kind of get our home screen right here. This is just filtering out everything that we might have in the class, like a stream. Now, to get on to Google Meet, which we will be getting on at 8:15 Monday morning, all you have to do is click this link, and then you can click Join Now, and you will be in the Google Meet. It might not, it is working. Okay, so as soon as you join in this Google Meet, the most important thing to do is mute your microphone down here. It would be extremely helpful if all the kids knew how to mute and unmute themselves while doing Google Meets. We will also go over it. And then when you leave the meeting, you just press the hang up. And then quick tips when you're in Google Classroom, how to get to the different resources and classwork for each day. You click classwork. On the very top, you'll have the weekly information and homework. You'll have notes, you'll have extra practices and resources. And then Monday morning at 8 a.m. when you keep scrolling down, you'll see the date, and you'll see any resources that we may use for that day. So if you have any questions, I'm always here, but if not, I will see you Monday morning at 8:15.